Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to talk about the indentation in Python. So in the previous video we have learnt about how to install the PyCharm and also perform our first code in Python, which was of Hello World. So all the code I am writing in this video we will cover more about it in upcoming videos. So let's say we want one variable x in which I will be storing the value 5. Let's say x equals 5. So we don't have to provide any semicolon here, we just need to enter this. So x will have the value 5. If I print this, print x, okay, so you need to run it. By right click you will get this option run. So see, you are able to get this value 5. But what I want to do, if I want to add one condition here, we will be seeing in detail about if else in upcoming videos, but for indentation we need to understand this in this video. So if x is less than 6, you need to give your colon, sorry, you need to give your, okay, and here let's say I want to print yes. If my value is less than 6, I want to print s, else I want to print no. So let's save this and run this. So see, currently I am getting this error here which says demo.py file line number 4. So this is our line where I am getting this error, print as indentation error, expected an indented block. So if you see, after providing condition, if I entered, so by default here some space is getting added, and if I copy this print and place it here, and now I try to run this, still I am getting this error, but now I am getting the error at line number 7. So this is line. So if you provide one indentation means you are providing some space, but this space have meaning in Python. So if I provide this space here, so see, these two are same space we have provided in if and else block. Now if I save it and run it, I am getting value as s. So I am not getting any error here. So x is less than 6, so I am able to print this s. So with this s I want to print another things. Let's say I want to print now, I will give you a space, I provide some extra space now here and print. Let's say I want to print hello. So still I am getting some error here. So this is also unexpected indent. So I need to provide a similar space in a particular block. So what if I provided both the print a same spaces? So I will not get error this time, because for this particular block I have provided same number of spaces, and in this block I have same number of spaces. Like if I have another print here, let's say print no, and I want to print hi here, I'm not getting any error here. But what if I provided same number of spaces here? So I will not get any error here. So here is a mismatch. So if I provided same number of spaces, at that time I will not get any error. Let's run this. So in this case, as 5 is less than 6, I am able to get yes and hello. If I increase the value of x as 7, so 7 is not less than 6, this time else part will be executed. So let's run this. So see, now I am getting no and hi. So this indentation have specific meaning in Python. So we will follow a basic approach. Here we need to provide only a single tab. So every time we enter in a particular block, we need to provide a single tab. But in PyCharm we will get by default this, like if you remove this all part, let's say if condition we have entered and we enter, so by default we will get some indentation. So we will not need to worry about this, but you should understand how it is performing. As curly braces are not used here, indentation is used. So let's understand some theory about it. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code, as we have seen if block and else block. The number of spaces is up to you as a programmer, but it has to be at least one. You have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code, otherwise Python will give you an indentation error. So that was all about indentation. We will learn another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.